Every business today drowns in data, but most companies are still asking the wrong question. The CEO asks, "What happened?" And the data strategist will tell you, that question has never been the hard part. The term augmented analytics was coined by Gartner in 2017. At its core, augmented analytics is the integration of natural language processing and machine learning capabilities into data analytics platforms, designed to automate and streamline data analysis through intuitive, user-friendly workflows. Put simply, it's analytics with AI doing the heavy lifting. Instead of analysts spending hours cleaning data and building queries, the platform does it. Business users ask questions in plain English and get answers. That was the original promise. Traditional business intelligence tools required analysts to spend hours or days cleaning data, writing queries, and building dashboards. Augmented analytics flips this model. Algorithms handle much of the heavy lifting, while natural language interfaces let business users ask questions and receive immediate, explainable answers. The core components are well understood by now. Automated data preparation, machine learning to surface patterns, natural language generation to explain results, and data visualization to make it actionable. Augmented analytics tools utilize advanced algorithms to sift through vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that may not be immediately apparent to human analysts. They can automatically generate insights, highlight anomalies, and even suggest potential correlations for further investigation. That last part matters. Not just showing the anomaly, surfacing it, unprompted. For the first few years, augmented analytics meant better dashboards with smarter search, faster access to what already happened. That was valuable. It was not enough. In 2025, augmented analytics is increasingly powered by AI agents. These agents don't just answer questions, they orchestrate multi-step analysis, detecting a revenue dip, analyzing root causes, comparing regional performance, and suggesting corrective actions, all in one flow. This is the critical shift, from a tool that responds to a tool that investigates. And that distinction separates the generation of platforms that show numbers from the generation that explains them. It's difficult for a machine to understand a person's intent within a limited context. The machine has the data itself, but doesn't grasp the bigger picture in the same way a person with domain expertise can. That insight is exactly where the industry is now wrestling. Generic AI sees patterns. It doesn't know your business. Here is the problem that a quarter century of working with enterprise data makes obvious. The most valuable analytical intelligence in any organization does not live in a database. It lives in people. In the COO who knows which metrics actually predict a bad quarter. In the regional director who spots a failing location 6 months before the numbers make it undeniable. Most augmented analytics tools ignore that entirely. They are powerful. They are generic. And generic intelligence applied to a specific business problem produces, at best, a starting point.
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.